Suzhou MINGSATR Company Limited is a global filling system solution offer, focusing on the filling technology R&D, beverage formulas innovation, and global technical services. MINGSATR provides customers with intelligent filling and packaging solutions, enabling efficient production with precision technology, and creating industry value with full process services. MINGSATR offers solutions for the industries covering drinking water, juice, carbonated drinks, edible oil, wine, and customized needs of daily chemical industries such as personal care and household cleaning. Our customers are not only from China but also from worldwide countries and regions such as North America, Europe, Oceania, Asia, Africa, and South America. MINGSATR has built a stable global distribution and service system, won an excellent market reputation. We are well aware that first-class equipment, innovative formulas, and excellent services are the cornerstones of winning customer trust. We not only have intelligent manufacturing capabilities, but also have built a professional beverage innovation center. Through in-depth formula research and process optimization, we provide customers with a one-stop solution from raw material to production process. Continuously improve quality and efficiency to ensure that partners get the best return on investment. Over the years, MINGSATR has always adhered to the business philosophy of customer-centric, growing with customers, and regards customer satisfaction as an important yardstick to measure our development. Looking to the future, we will continue to improve and create greater value for customers with more professional technology, more efficient response, and a better service system. Achieve a mutually beneficial and win-win development pattern. I believe that, when you choose MINGSATR, you will get an efficient filling and packaging solution, also a trustworthy innovative partner.